So this is how the curtain installation project went. The day blind has already been put in place, so we just want to install our curtain or drapes. We're using 6 different panels for this window because it's a wide window. So we have 4 pattern panels and 2 plain panels. So the 2 plain panels are in the center, while we have 2 each of the patterned panels on each side or each end of the rod. So you can see here that we're arranging the panels on the rod, and our drapes are having grommet heading. So all the grommets or eyelets have been sewn into the heading of the curtain. So you can see here that the curtains are being arranged on the pole. So you can see how nice this grommet heading is looking already. This is what our client wanted, so she requested for a grommet or eyelet heading curtain, and here we are doing what she requested. And you can see that this particular window is tall, is high, so the curtain will soon be lifted up to the window very soon. And you can see it's heavy, but the rod is very thick and able to carry the weight. Yeah, you can see 2 of us had to carry the curtain to lift it up to the window. Okay, so here you can see I'm climbing the ladder to be able to lift up the curtain to the window. Yes, so the curtain has been positioned in place on one side. Then we go to the other side. Okay, so the second side too is about to be positioned. Good. After positioning the curtain in place, it will be time to arrange the pleats equally. You can see now the pleats have been well arranged, equally arranged all along the rod. And here is our beautiful curtain.